Hello, it's me, Mr. Mail. It's time for the opening of our new office. So come along and I'll show you around. A good place to start is where we had our old office. This is now going to be a meeting room, and Jonas is still cleaning up. It's his last day here in Norway. He's going to visit our factory in Vietnam. Okay, so this is where our new office is. Still some tools here. So we're just finished. We're missing some pictures on the wall, but it will come later. So let's take a look. Hi, Steinar. Okay, so this is the support corner. I'm sitting here. I can look outside. That's really good. Here we can pack and receive damaged products, and we can send out repaired products. So in the drawers here we have spare parts like extra hammock straps, tent stakes, small carabiners, what have you. We like to keep it neat in this corner. Neat is very important to me. I hate messy things, so yeah, this is where the neat corner of the office is going to be. And then here you will sit most of the time, Ida, won't you? Editing videos and pictures for us. And then here is Jonas's place. I don't know if you can see the screens, but it's quite evident who has the best screens in the office. It's not me and Steinar, that's for sure. And over here, this is where the magic happens, or where the magic is going to happen. Because this is Jonas's corner. That was also one of the reasons that we had to change or move into a bigger space, because Jonas needs more room for product development. It hasn't happened yet, but this machine here, Yuki, I think you've met her before in one of our earlier videos. She will get integrated into the tabletop here. So that's going to be really, really nice for Jonas, and then you're going to have a space where you can, yeah, have a mess. So it's going to be the messy corner of the office. And then over here, in this room, we have mounted in these big beams of wood, and they are made so we can put up the hammock in different configurations, and also tarps, etc., to look at the prototypes that Jonas is making, and also take pictures for upcoming launches. So this is the kind of showroom slash photo room slash product development room. I like it a lot. Yeah, so I think that's it for me. Ida, you have made a cool video for the people to look at, so which shows how we did it. So hope you guys enjoy it.